ladies. So I wanted to bring you guys along for a 5 days worth of breakfast that I recorded, breakfast that I fed my son that will hopefully inspire you. The reason why I say my son is because my daughter is a very picky eater, so she basically didn't have most of these breakfasts. She hates banana, egg, oatmeal, smoothies, anything smushy she hates. So she really didn't have any of these. We are working on changing her habits. She is a very picky eater when it comes to breakfast, but she will eat anything for lunch and dinner. Like, she's very good at vegetables, chicken, anything like that she'll eat. It's just like breakfast that we have like a very hard time. But I did want to bring you guys along with what we fed our son this week. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get right into it. So for this simple recipe, I basically just used these four ingredients, which is the sweet potato, banana, egg, and oats. The yogurt is more of a substitution if you do not want to use the egg, and you can use 2 tablespoons of yogurt instead of the egg. You may also add cinnamon or vanilla if you wish to. So I ended up not using the whole sweet potato for his pancakes. I used the leftover sweet potatoes for myself. I made myself some sweet potato pancakes instead of the banana. I forgot to mention, but I also used milk. I used a few cubes of sweet potato for his only. He didn't even notice it had sweet potato. So you can pretty much add anything, any veggies, as long as they're not like bitter or anything like that. I would have even added spinach if I had any, but I didn't have any that day. I love that consistency. I feel like if I add more banana, it'll be more smushy and it'll be hard for you to flip over. Same if you add too little of the oats, it will be too smushy for you to even flip over. So there are his little mini pancakes. You can add maple syrup or just regular syrup, whatever you prefer. So for this next breakfast is basically just oatmeal, but I wanted to show you guys how he eats it. So basically I cooked the oatmeal like you normally would, you know, a cup of water, half a cup of oatmeal. Then I added some milk because he likes it more of like a cereal consistency, I would say. And then on another plate, I added a few of his favorite fruit, granola, and some peanut butter. And it's just fun for him to kind of like decorate his own plate, and he just loves it. This next breakfast is one of his favorites. For some reason, he loves egg. He loves anything, but this is one of his favorites. I love to do it with whole wheat bread, but at this moment we had only honey wheat, which he's fine. He'll eat anything, but the whole wheat is more healthier. I know you saw 2 eggs, but I divided it into 2. He's always ate fruit with eggs since he was a baby. Everybody thought it was weird to eat it at the same time, but he loves it. This next breakfast is just a smoothie. And basically it's super simple. It's just one banana, the milk, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and like half a cup of oatmeal. It is so delicious. You can add cinnamon if you want to, and vanilla as well. So you can even add spinach or any hidden veggie or fruit that would go with the banana. So for some reason, my son is like a big fan of smoothies. He'll drink any type of smoothie with any kind of fruit. My daughter, on the other hand, she hates smoothies or anything that is like smushy or, you know, with that consistency. She doesn't like yogurts or anything like that. So it's very hard for me to like throw in hidden veggies or anything like that for her because she does not drink any kind of smoothie. This breakfast is more of a treat for them since they did so good throughout the week. The mixture for the French toast is basically more egg than milk, but I don't like it too eggy. So what I do is add more milk than egg. But you can pretty much do it however you want. You can add more egg than milk, or just like one egg and like half cup of milk. I think I added a full cup of milk and one egg just because of the, you know, the flavor. I don't like it too eggy, and they don't like it too eggy either. So this bread is from Kroger. I don't know if you can find it maybe in H-E-B in the bakery aisle. It is very, very, very yummy. The texture of the bread, it's a little bit different from like the regular bread. It's thicker, softer. It just tastes like kind of like the cinnamon rolls or something like that. I don't know what they're called, but they're so good. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed.